It is difficult to sneeze with your eyes open because the act of sneezing is an autonomic reflex, meaning it is controlled by the involuntary nervous system. When you sneeze, your body instinctively closes your eyes to protect them from the force of the sneeze. Additionally, the muscles in your face contract when you sneeze, which also contributes to keeping your eyes shut. Sneezing with your eyes open requires a high degree of coordination and concentration. Even if you are able to keep your eyes open during a sneeze, they will likely water involuntarily. If you are really determined to sneeze with your eyes open, it is possible with a little practice.